Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the Hikari, I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it, but you can see the name there, eyeliner. So Hikari Eyeliner. I am obsessed with this eyeliner. It is a mechanical eyeliner. The description online says that it is the perfect mechanical eyeliner that you can smudge for a smoky look or use to define your eyes. Smooth formula, easy application. When they say smooth formula, they are not kidding. This is the smoothest eyeliner I have ever used in my life. The product itself doesn't really have any information on it at all, aside from the name. But it comes in several different colors. I have it in Raven, which is black. I actually got this through a subscription box. So I think it was BoxyCharm. So just one of those boxes that I get in the mail each month that has a few different products for me to try. The specific one that I got, BoxyCharm, comes with full-size products. And it came with this one, and I have become obsessed with it because of how smooth and easy it really is to apply. You don't have to go back and forth, literally one swipe and you have your eyeliner. It really is easy to smudge, which for me, I don't really do smudgy, smoky looks, so that doesn't work out too well for me. But if you are that kind of gal or guy, this really is easy to smudge, and it's easy to apply, and it's very precise. So like when you smudge it, it's easy to get it exactly the way that you're wanting it. This product was made in China. Oh, I forgot. My point of saying that it came in a subscription box was to say that it came just like this. It didn't come in a little box. It didn't come wrapped or anything like that. So I don't know if you buy it online on Amazon or on the Hikari website, if it'll come just like this or if it'll come in a box that'll have more information about it. I had to look online to get any kind of information on it. It did come, the subscription box that I get does come with a little card that with a description of each product, but to get like real information that you would get on, I had to go online. And even then I couldn't find like what the size of it is, like how much product it has. I don't know if they can actually even do that with a pencil type of thing. It's not a pencil, but it's that kind of consistency, but much smoother. It's not liquid. But yeah, this just slides on so perfectly. It lasts pretty much all day. When I put it on my lower waterline, my lower eye, on my lower lid, it does smudge a little bit on the outer corners by the end of the day when I use it on my top, but my top lid it never does. Fortunately, I don't actually use it on my top lid that often. I'll use it when I'm in a rush because it slides on so easily and so precisely. When I'm like really rushing is when I'll use this. Otherwise, I only use it on my lower waterline. I use it every single day because I use liquid eyeliner normally on my top lid, but I don't like using liquid on my bottom because I feel like the liquid gets into my eye. So I use this every single day. And let me tell you, I have had this for over a year, using it every single day on my bottom eyelid and once in a while on my top lid. And I've never checked to see how much is left, but it's still going strong because it slides on so easily and so like smoothly that I feel like it just uses very, very little product each time you use it, which is amazing. So I'll go ahead and open the product up for you. And it has the lid, and you just twist it. So look at that. Like, I'm not gonna pull it out any more than that because I don't want it to, like, sometimes if you open a product too far, it'll like get stuck there. And I don't want that to happen because I love this eyeliner. I don't want to ruin it. Yeah, even this honestly will probably last just that little bit right there. Will last me probably at least a month, if longer, because it's so, and I will go ahead and just like show you. I barely press down, like so lightly. I barely I like didn't even I put no pressure, and yeah, and it is smudgy, so you can get it to your desired look. Make sure to twist it back down before I close it. Cute little square shape. When you first get it, it doesn't come, mine looks a little angled because I've been using it, but it actually comes in a point. It's very pointed. It has a little snap when you close it. And yeah, so like I said, it's very smudgy. It comes off, it's not waterproof, so also just be aware of that. You can smudge it all the way off. Look at that. It's not waterproof, so do not wear this if you are going to go for a run in the heat and you're going to be sweating. If you are going to the beach, definitely not if you are going to be submerged in water, because you will go into the water looking beautiful and perfect, and you will come out of the water looking like a raccoon. I know this from experience. I have done it and not even gotten it in the camera, and it is not cool. This is great if you are not going to be crying or going in the pool or going to be sweating your face off. But yeah, as like something, but still, this is a great product. I absolutely love it, and I hope that if you try it, you love it as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it.